Hey there. I owe you an explanation why I'm missing the last few days, but I'm in Brazil, taking care of my mom. Some of you already know that she has ovarian cancer for a very long time, and now she is in induced coma for 2.5 weeks. So I've been living in a hospital for 20 hours a day. That's why I look like this picture of ugh. Yes. So I'm taking a break, and was really last minute. That's why I disappeared out of nowhere. I didn't even have time to say anything to you guys. Sorry about that. Um, if you follow me on Twitter, you probably already know this, but yeah. I'll be here for a while, and I don't know when I will be able to come back. And I also don't know how or when I will be able to upload again. But that's it right now. Yes. Sorry, I abandoned you out of nowhere. But I will be back soon. Once I figure out how to get my head back together. So, thank you for your patience, and I'll see you sometime soon. Bye.